Good morning, students. Welcome back on your science online classes. In the last classes, we had learned about that how nutrition take place in animal. In this lesson, we had learned about how digestion take place in human beings and ruminants. That now today we are going to do the various objectives. So let us proceed with the multiple choice question. So first one is movement of food through alimentary canal is called. First option given is locomotion. Second one is pumping. Third option is peristalsis. Fourth option is sliding. So answer is peristalsis. Second one, water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the first option is stomach. Second option is food pipe. Third option is small intestine. And the fourth option is large intestine. So the answer is large intestine. Third one, the pancreas produces, first option given is pepsin, renin and trypsin. Second option given is pancreatic juices. Third option is peptidase, maltase, amylase. And the fourth option is given amylase, sucrase and galactose. So answer is pancreatic juices. Yes, the next question is fat is completely digested in the first option is stomach, second option is mouth, third option is small intestine and the fourth one is a large intestine. So your answer is small intestine. Yes, digested juice is not secreted by first option given is mouth, second one is liver, third one is stomach and fourth one is esophagus. So answer is esophagus. See the sixth one. The pointed teeth in your mouth are first option given is premolar, second option given is incisor, third option given is molar and the last option given is canines. So answer is canines. Seventh one, the wall of the large intestine absorb. First option is cellulose, second option is digested food, third option is water and the fourth option is oxygen. So answer is water. Yes, next question. Yes, what kind of teeth are especially developed in carnivores? First option given is premolar, second option given is incisors, third option given is molars and fourth option is canines. So answer is canines. Now move to that second part, that is fill-ups. Fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks is ruminant digest their food in the dash steps. Answer is 2 steps. 2. Then second one, living organisms that cannot make their own food are called heterotrophs. 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 Then third one, assimilation of food occurs in small intestine. Yes, then fourth fill up. The largest gland on the human body is liver. Yes, answer is liver. From the liver only the bile is secreted and from the bile juice are secreted and which act on the food for the further digestion process in stomach. So answer is liver. Then the fifth one, amoeba digests its food in the dash food vacuole. FOOD food VACUOLE food vacuole. Then third one, third part, that is a true false. First one you write down, digestion of starch starts in the stomach. Yes, answer is false. No, it does not starts in the stomach. Actually, it just starts in the mouth. When the food is broken into the complex food into the simpler one, Then after chewing that the after chewing the digestion of starts in the mouth, not in the stomach. So answer is false. Second one, amoeba doesn't have a specialized organ for procuring food. Yes, it doesn't have any specialized organ, so it is a true. Then third one, absorption and assimilations are similar process. False. Both are different. Absorption take place in the small intestine. Absorption means to absorb the energy, and assimilation means to utilize it for the various life process. So both are different process. So answer is false. Now fourth one, the gallbladder temporarily stores bile. Yes, true. Now what is a gallbladder? Gallbladder is the small storage organ present in the upper and the lower part of a liver, and bile is produced by the liver. That's why it is temporarily stored in the gallbladder. Now fifth one, iodine solution is used to test the presence of stars. Yes, it is true. Then move to the next part, that is a fourth one, match the column. Match the following. Column A and column B is given there. In column A, that last word assimilation is printed there. One mistake is there, printing mistake is there. Assimilation will not come, there the egestion word will come. So cut that assimilation word and write down the egestion. Yes, see that first one, A part, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll present in the leaf. So answer will be 5. Yes, B, villi. Villi, it is present in the small intestine. So answer is 1. Herbivorous. Herbivorous. Yes, herbivorous means plant eating animals. So example given is given here, that is cow. So answer is 3. Now D1, animals. Animals. Yes, answer is 6. It is a heterotrophs. It cannot make their own food. It depends on the other organ for obtaining the food. Yes, answer is 6. Heterotrophs. Then E, green plants. Green plants are autotrophs. Autotrophs means these are the living beings which prepare their own food. It cannot depends on the other for obtaining the food. So answer is seventh one, autotrophs. Now next one is iodine. Yes, iodine, starch. Fourth one, answer is fourth. Then the last one, egestion. Egestion, answer is large intestine. That's second one. Egestion means removal of waste material from the body, and it takes place in the large intestine. So in this way we had completed all the objectives of the second lesson, and that both the first lessons also I gave the objectives, second lesson also we had completed. So only the notes were left out, and that I will give you on later on. In the next class I will give the notes of lesson 1 and lesson 2. So whatever the objectives I had given you, go through it and keeps on learning. Okay, thank you.